To clean all sensors on Roborock S8, first of all, we'll need to find those sensors, and you'll be able to see them right here on the bottom and one on the front. So there's two of them right here, then two of them right here, and two of them right here. Now you're gonna grab something like a towel, and you can use LCD or windshield cleaner. In this case, I'm gonna go for LCD cleaner and spray it onto the cloth sheet. Just make sure it doesn't overflow with that fluid, and then you can just wrap it like that so it can reach actual sensor, and start wiping them using this towel. After that, you can dry them up using the dry side of that towel. And then we can move on to the front sensor, which is right here. Now grab the same towel and use the wet part and then the dry part. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.